Welcome to Decor Menu, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations and decor tips. Today we will show you a collection of woodworking project ideas for beginners. Have you ever wondered what key characteristics make woodworking projects truly beginner-friendly and accessible to those just starting in this rewarding craft? Beginner-friendly woodworking projects are designed with specific features that facilitate learning, foster creativity, and ensure a successful crafting experience. Understanding these features can transform initial attempts at woodworking into engaging and fulfilling ventures, setting a solid foundation for further exploration in this timeless tradition. At the core of beginner-friendly woodworking projects is simplicity. These projects typically employ straightforward designs with minimal components, allowing novices to grasp fundamental skills without feeling overwhelmed. The uncomplicated nature of beginner projects encourages people to focus on learning the basics of woodworking, such as measuring, cutting, and assembling. This simplicity reduces the intimidation factor often associated with crafting, making it easier for beginners to jump into the world of woodworking and start creating right away. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content so far? If so, please watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to simplicity, clarity is crucial in beginner-friendly projects. Clear, concise instructions are essential for those who may be unfamiliar with woodworking terminology or techniques. Detailed step-by-step guides, accompanied by diagrams or images, can significantly enhance understanding. This visual support aids comprehension of the project scope, allowing beginners to visualize the end result and follow the directions more effectively. With well-structured instructions, novices can build confidence as they check off completed steps, reinforcing their progress and steering them towards successful completion. Accessibility of materials is another important feature of beginner-friendly woodworking projects. Projects that utilize readily available and affordable materials, such as pine or plywood, allow novices to begin crafting without significant financial investment. Easy-to-source materials minimize barriers to entry and encourage experimentation. By selecting projects that involve these accessible materials, beginners can focus more on developing their woodworking abilities rather than stress over sourcing specialty items that might complicate their first experiences. Moreover, using tools that are manageable and user-friendly significantly contributes to the beginner experience. Projects that require only basic hand tools or power tools that most homeowners already possess are ideal for newcomers. For example, a project that can be completed with a handsaw, hammer, and drill allows novices to familiarize themselves with tools they are likely to encounter in everyday life. This approach promotes a more comfortable experience and reduces the intimidation that often accompanies the thought of operating complex machinery. Another hallmark of beginner-friendly woodworking projects is the emphasis on building foundational skills. They provide opportunities to learn essential techniques that form the basis of more advanced projects. These foundational skills can include measuring and marking wood accurately, using a miter saw correctly, or mastering simple joinery techniques. By focusing on these core competencies, beginners gain the confidence and knowledge needed to undertake increasingly complex projects over time. This gradual learning curve ensures that the transition from basic to advanced woodworking is smooth and enjoyable. Many beginner-friendly projects also incorporate opportunities for creativity and personalization. While the designs may be simple, instructors often encourage newcomers to express themselves through embellishments, colors, or finishes. This element of creativity can be incredibly motivating, enhancing the overall experience. When beginners see the potential to inject their styles into their work, they are more likely to feel invested in the outcome and excited about the process. This creative engagement fosters a sense of ownership in their projects, deepening the emotional connection to their craftsmanship. Time considerations are also a vital aspect of beginner-friendly projects. Crafts that can be completed in a short period, such as a few hours or a single weekend, accommodate novices who may feel discouraged by lengthy commitments. Shorter projects instill a sense of achievement and gratification upon completion, reinforcing the idea that woodworking is an accessible and enjoyable hobby. Individuals can celebrate these small victories, cultivating a positive relationship with the craft and motivating them to tackle additional challenges in the future. Safety is paramount when working with tools and materials, making projects that include built-in safety measures even more suitable for beginners. These projects often emphasize techniques that minimize risk, encouraging proper usage of tools and protective gear such as gloves and eye protection. Educating new woodworkers about safety protocols is crucial for fostering responsible habits, allowing them to approach their craft with confidence. By incorporating safety considerations into project designs, beginners can gain valuable insights into maintaining a safe workspace, thus ensuring a positive experience from the outset. Moreover, beginner-friendly woodworking projects often promote self-reflection and learning from mistakes. Simple designs allow for mistakes to be made without leading to significant losses in time or materials. When beginners encounter challenges, they can view them as learning experiences rather than failures. This mindset is crucial in woodworking, where trial and error are often components of the creative process. Encouraging a positive attitude toward mistakes fosters resilience and perseverance, allowing newcomers to develop a growth mindset as they learn and refine their skills over time. Support and resources play an essential role in beginner-friendly woodworking, as many projects provide access to online communities and instructional videos. These resources enhance learning and create a sense of belonging among woodworking enthusiasts. Online platforms often provide forums for sharing experiences, asking questions, and seeking advice, promoting collaboration and camaraderie. The sense of community can be particularly beneficial for beginners, as it creates a supportive environment for building knowledge and confidence. Another noteworthy feature of beginner-friendly woodworking projects is their potential for gift-making and meaningful creations. Simple projects that result in functional or decorative items can be perfect for gifting to friends and family. This aspect encourages novices to share their work, reinforcing the broader social and emotional benefits of crafting. Providing tangible gifts made with one's own hands can strengthen relationships and foster a deep sense of pride in the craft. The joy of giving handmade items also serves to enhance the overall experience of woodworking. Sustainability is increasingly becoming an important consideration in many crafting endeavors. Beginner-friendly woodworking projects that encourage the use of reclaimed materials or promote eco-friendly practices can introduce novices to more sustainable approaches to crafting. By emphasizing environmentally responsible techniques, these projects not only teach newcomers about woodworking, but also instill values of stewardship and mindfulness regarding their materials and impact on the environment. Engaging in sustainable practices creates an enriching experience that resonates with many individuals passionate about crafting for both personal enjoyment and environmental consciousness. In addition, beginner-friendly projects can introduce novices to the principles of design. By engaging with basic design concepts such as proportion, balance, and symmetry, beginners can develop a more refined sense of aesthetics and craftsmanship. Understanding these principles enhances their ability to create visually appealing projects, setting them up for success in future woodworking endeavors. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked woodworking project ideas for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.